Hi guys! Welcome to Angel TV! Whoa! That was loud! We will be working on TNT 3D explosives! Cutter blades are really sharp. Adult supervision number 1. We will cut 6 pieces of them by size. We will be using used carton box for our main materials. Now we will assemble using hot glue. Tips are hot. Adult supervision number 2. Now we will be using art papers and colored papers. First, start with the red. Next, with the orange, we cut them into the desired sizes. We have prepared another use of red colored paper. As you can see, there are checkered pencil markings as a guide. Now we will glue the pieces one by one. Our next step is to cut the layerings on a white colored paper. Here, we have quadrupled the paper in order to have a consistent single cut. Now we will glue the white over the black. Now we will glue the white portion onto the red portion. Oh, look at those patterns! Our final step is to cover our carton cube with all these designs. Thank you for watching! Watch out what's coming soon.